is Anya, and today we're going to make a frozen strawberry cream pie. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 crushed sleeve of Mario biscuits, add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until well combined. Press out into a baking pan and place in the fridge for 30 minutes. In a bowl, combine 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 can of chilled condensed milk, mix until well combined, 1½ cups of crushed frozen strawberries, 1 cup whipped cream, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Pour the mixture with the biscuit crust, cover in cling wrap, and place in the freezer overnight. Decorate with fresh strawberries and whipped cream and enjoy.